Today I'm taking a look at the X-Tiger rechargeable bicycle light set. So it comes with a charging cable, so this is USB-A to USB-C. We have the rear light, this is a rechargeable light, and we charge it from that USB-C port in the top. So it looks like we got 5 LEDs in there. And 4 different settings. On the back we got this square adapter, and that will mesh into this mount. This mount actually does swivel, which is kind of neat. But the neat thing about this, because it is a square, means that we can mount the flashlight like this, so it'll be up and down, or we can twist it, mount it like that, so we can have it side to side. So you can use whichever you prefer for your bicycle. And then the strap on the back is just a soft rubber. For the light itself, nice round flashlight. What's great about that is that we can use this on our bicycle, but it's also going to be a great flashlight for carrying around. Make sure we unlock the light before our first use, and we have to quickly press the power button 5 times. Cool. So that's actually kind of neat. So that way, if the button accidentally gets pressed in shipment, you don't have to worry about this arriving with a dead battery. But now that it's unlocked, all you have to do is press and hold, and we have got our flashlight. What's cool about this is if I double press, then I go to the strobe. The reason I like that is because I don't usually like strobe, but I mean, it does actually make it so that you're a lot more easily seen, but I still don't like using it. So what that means is if I keep this on regular light, I can keep on messing with this as much as I want. Every time I turn it on and off, it's going to go straight to a straight light. So that is a very good design. It appears to be a single LED with a heck of a lens on there. Very nice. So that's going to be good for saving power, but also still be able to give you a large field of view. And then on the bottom, it looks like we got a twist mount adapter, and we have 2 mounts for that. So we got a GoPro style mount, and we have a bicycle bar style mount. So all we have to do is put that on and give it a twist, and it locks right on. And this is also one of my favorite styles of mounts because it has this nut on that, and then the strap can go in and out. When we want to tighten it up, we just put the nut on. The teeth of the nut will lock with the teeth of the strap. And as we tighten that up, it will tighten that down. So these are very secure. And I also like to see there is nice rubber padding already built in. And this is also rechargeable. If we want to recharge it, all we have to do is peel off this cover, and we got our USB-C port right there on the back. For the rear, I'm just going to pull the strap around, and that is it. Nice and easy to install. And for the front, make sure we're not pinching any cables. There we go. Nice and tight. Okay. That is very bright for such a little light. So there's the power saving. You can still see quite a bit even on the power saving mode. So if you want to keep the battery, but you want to still have a light, that'll work fine. But you can see a ton with it on its max setting. So that is pretty awesome. There we go. Check that out. That is a powerful little light. So I'm very happy with that.